Students, welcome again to the world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now, to this video, we will do revision for chapter number 1 of financial accounting for class 11. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. First, we must know the meaning of accounting. Here, accounting is a systematic process. It is a systematic process of identifying. And in identification, we have to identify whether a transaction is of financial character or not. Once we know that it is of financial character, then we will measure it, and after measuring we will record it, and after recording we will make classification or check the accounts on which the transaction will effects, and after making classification we will record that information in summarized form, and after recording summarizing form we will start doing analysis of those transaction and interpret the result through profit and loss or trading account, and the result of those profit and loss or trading account is communicated to its user so they can take the decision on behalf of such accounting information. Now, after knowing the meaning of accounting from the definition given above, we can derive some of the features of accounting also. Those features are: first, identification of financial transaction or event. In accounting, we will identify the events of financial characters. Once we identify the events of financial character, then we will measure them, and once measurement is done we will record them, and once recording is done we will classify them, and after doing classification we will record that information in summarized form, and after doing study of such summary we will do interpretation and analysis of such information, and whatsoever is the outcome of those analysis and interpretation we will communicate that result to its users. So all this feature can be seen in the definition of accounting itself. Now, next, now by reading the definition of accounting carefully, you can easily understand that accounting is a process, and that process involves, first step is financial transactions or events. Second step is to record such event. Once you identify that a specific transaction is of financial character, then you will record it, and that recording is done with the help of cash book, purchase book, sale book, purchase return book, and journal proper. So, with the help of all these things, we can record accounting information. Once recording was completed, we will start doing classification, and that classification is done by posting them in ledger. And once classification is done, we will start presenting that information in a summarized form, and that summary is created with the help of trial balance, trading profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Now, after doing summary preparation of those financial transactions, we start analyzing and interpreting the outcome of those analysis, and the analysis and interpretation of those outcome is communicated to its user. On behalf of that analysis and interpretation, those user can take decision. So accounting involves many steps which comes in a sequence. Therefore accounting is a process. Now, after knowing accounting is a process, we will start doing the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. If you know that accounting starts from where bookkeeping ends, or we can say bookkeeping provides base for accounting. Therefore, accounting is a wider concept which includes bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is mainly concerned with recording of financial events, whereas accounting also involves analysis of those events. Therefore, analysis in accounting is done with the help of a summary of financial data and interpreting the result thereof to its user. Therefore, we can say accounting begins from the place where bookkeeping ends. Now, after knowing the meaning of accounting and its feature, one should also know the objectives of accounting or the purpose for which accounting is done. First, and one of the main objective of accounting is maintaining systematic record of business transaction. Now, second objective of any accounting system is to determine whether business is making profit or loss. Third objective is to ascertain financial position of the business, and accounting shows that financial position with the help of balance sheet. Therefore, third objective of accounting is to ascertain financial position. Now, fourth objective of accounting is to facilitate management. Management require accounting information for taking decision such as expansion or discontinue one of its operation. Now, fifth main objective of accounting is to provide accounting information to its user. Those user may involve internal or external both. Now, finally, the last or one of the main objective is of accounting is protecting business assets against any claim, since accounting provides legal evidence in the hands of business organization uh, in front of law, so they can use it for protecting their assets. Now, after knowing all the objectives of accounting, one should also know which type of accounting information is there and what is the meaning of accounting information. Here, accounting information is the information is which is of financial nature related to entities, and it is useful in taking decision. Now, that's it, and remaining topic for the revision we will cover in next class. And if you want to download the notes used in this video, you can download it from the link given in this video. Thank you and goodbye.